Looks like the lights are off on the factory floor again. Would you mind checking the fuses? Just grab the radio and the flashlight, and you'll find the fuse box on the far side of the room from you. Okay, I got the security cameras on. You know the fuses are on the other side of the room, right? Oh wait, that's you. I thought that other little thing was you. Must be just a smudge. You're going the right way. I see you found the fuse box. Just knock that panel off and let's have a look inside. The fuses are missing? They don't just walk away on their own. Oh well, there are spare fuses in my office. You'll need the key to get in. It's right there on the fuse box. Oh yeah, I forgot. I moved them above the office. You'll have to climb the ladder around the corner to get up there. I almost thought that was a real body for a minute. Could you imagine? Whoa, I didn't think the wind could blow that door open. The scaffolding fell on the ladder though. Just jump off the roof on the other side. Are you at the fuse box? I thought I saw you there. The forklift's been on the fritz recently. You might have to hotwire it to get it out of the way. You know, with the lights out like this, sometimes it does look like something moving around on that floor.